Meantime, tonight we're holding our local leaders accountable.
Residents in Prince George's County told us the poor response to last month's big snow left them trapped in their neighborhoods.
Yeah, viewers in Accokeek sent us these pictures right here. They said it took days for plows to come through their neighborhood. So we sent our Leslie Moreno to find out if county crews are ready this time around.
And to find out if they're making good on promises made after the last big snowstorm.
Nearly a month ago, several Prince George's County residents were snowed in for days after crews failed to plow their neighborhood streets.
We have nothing but an ice rink at the end of our cul-de-sac.
We deserve to be treated with respect.
Residents, including seniors, couldn't access main roads.
My aunt, she's in Fort Washington. She's an elderly woman, 78 years old. She needs her medication. She hasn't been able to get out to get her medicine.
We set out to find out if the county is better prepared for Tuesday's big storm. WUSA 9 reached out to Acting County Executive Tara Jackson to find out. Her office told us she was unavailable and referred us to a video she posted on Facebook after the last storm.
There were some neighborhoods in the county where our response fell short.
In the Facebook video, Jackson says crews had enough salt, but it wasn't strong enough. There weren't enough crews on the road nor enough equipment. She listed the things the county would provide to prevent a repeat of the debacle,
including fixing the PGC Track Snow portal to provide accurate, real-time updates on plowing and salting progress, purchasing additional, stronger de-icing compound to strategically use in sustained frigid temperatures, and strengthening oversight to ensure quality control and consistency across all our neighborhoods.
Tonight, we caught up with council member Edward Burrows, who we met shoveling his street after January's big snowfall. He says residents want to know what will be done differently this time.
A number of residents have already reached out to express levels of concern.
Council member met with Public Works to make sure no one is stranded in the snow again.
What happened during the last snowstorm is unacceptable, frankly. And so it's important that our Department of Public Works learns from that experience and perform in a much different way for this upcoming snowstorm.
Public Works says crews have been out pre-treating roads since Sunday. The county says it's also been working on getting more equipment and hiring more people. In Prince George's County, Leslie Moreno, WUSA 9.